Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept arithmetic progression with some basic problems. Okay, before watching this video, kindly watch our previous video on sequence. The link is given in the description. Now, arithmetic progression. A sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on till AN is called an arithmetic progression if there exists a constant number d such that this is our sequence. Okay, so this sequence is said to be arithmetic progression or AP, arithmetic progression or AP if it follows this order. So there exists a constant number d such that A2 equal to A1 plus d, A3 equal to A2 plus d, A4 equal to A3 plus d. That means there is this is what our sequence is. Okay, so there is a common difference between these two numbers, and the common difference is denoted by d. So d denotes common difference. So there will be a constant difference between the term and its preceding term. So A2 minus A1 will give you D. In a similar way, A3 minus A2 will give you D. Okay, and so on. So these type of sequence form the arithmetic progression. So generally we can write arithmetic progression as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. Here this A denotes the first term and this D denotes the common difference. Now we can see some basic problems. Now in this question, write an AP whose first term is 10 and common difference is 3. So solution here given is first term. So A equal to 10 and common difference is 3. D equal to 3. We know that arithmetic progression will be of the form A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So here A is 10. A plus D means 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. Next A plus 2 into D. So 10 plus 2 into D. 10 plus 2 3s are 6. So here 16. In a similar way, A plus 3D. So A is 10 plus 3 into 3. 10 plus 9, 19. So here 19. This is what our AP is. So here we know that AP is of the form A, plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So we are substituting the values of our A and D. A denotes the first term and D denotes the common difference. Here the question is, find out which of the following sequences are arithmetic progressions. For those which are arithmetic progressions, find out the common difference. So we have to check whether the sequence form an arithmetic progression or not. If they are forming an arithmetic progression, then we have to find out their common difference. Okay, first one, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we can compare this with the general form. The arithmetic progression will always of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Like that it will go on. So here value of A is 3, 3 plus D we don't know. In a similar way 3 plus 3 plus. Like that I can write. Am I right? So if I am finding the D means, what is the concept of D? D means that difference between the term and its preceding term. So here difference between this term and its preceding term is 0. Here 0. Here 0. So our common difference will be of 0. So here 3 plus 0. Here 3 plus 2 into 0. Here 3 plus 3 into 0. So while comparing this sequence with this arithmetic progression, we are getting the same one. So yes, this sequence forms an arithmetic progression. Yes, this is an AP. This is an AP. And common difference D is 0. Common difference D is 0. Okay, so first step is we have to compare the given sequence with this one a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So while comparing, we know the value of a, we don't know the value of d. So already we know the definition of d. Definition of d is the common difference is between the term and its preceding term. So 3 minus 3 0. Now similarly 3 minus 3 0. So common difference will be 0. So by substituting, I got the same sequence. So this sequence forms an AP. The sequence has been given. As usual, we have to write the AP. So A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, and so on. We can compare this one with this sequence. So here first term is A, here first term is P. So value of the first term is A equal to P. In a similar way, you can compare this second term with this one. So A plus D equal to P plus 90. So A value is P, D value is 90. D value is 90. Here the third term A plus 2D equal to P plus 180. A value is P, 2D equal to 180. So 2D equal to 180 means the value of D is 90. So this sequence for sure forms an AP and the common difference is 90 because the common difference between each term is constant. So in arithmetic progression, by definition, the common difference between each term will be constant. So here the common difference is 90. Okay, throughout the sequence, the common difference is 90. Right. So this sequence is forming an AP. Therefore, yes, this forms an AP. This is an AP, and the common differences 90. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.